Today is June 27, 2011. Here I am in Jodia Bazaar. We are here crushing the seeds for Jatropha to take the oil, and all these seeds will be crushed here at Mr. Habib Brothers in Jodia Bazaar, Karachi, Pakistan. And we are going to be crushing these seeds. And you have been here, sir, for how many years? 35 years. Mr. Habib is here for 35 years. This is his crushing plant, and they are putting the seeds in there, the same ones, and the oil is coming out there. That you can see this oil that is coming out, and we are going to so we are now using all of these. This is the cake that is coming out, and this we have done 4 times in, and this is the oil. Now we are going to measure the oil, that in how many kilos. That was 1 kilo of oil. 1 kilo of seeds, and the oil that is come out, we are going to put it in a plastic bag, and we are going a bottle. In this bottle, then we will measure that in 1 kilo how many grams of oil do we get, and how many grams of cake do we get. So it will give us the yield, and Mr. Farooq has done a lot of work. Okay, Habib Saab, I'm going to talk to him in Pakistani language. आपने ये कितने साल आपने ये आपकी वीडियो बनाऊंगा? Okay, कितने साल से आपने ये काम किया है इसका? 20 years. 20 years. Now, ये केक ये गरम है ये? Yes. Okay, can you show me this cake, please? This is the cake that has come out. It is very, very hot. So we are going to measure this cake, and we are going to clean that oil, and so we put in 1 liter of 1 kilo of Jatropha seeds, and out of that the 4.75 is the cake. So that means
475 grams.
4 points. So if we put 5.25. So the oil that we will have is 5.2 liters, 5.2 grams. So 1 kilo is equal to 1 liter, nearly.
Half liter.
1 kilogram of oil is equal to 1 liter.
Yes,
1 kg of by weight is equal to 1 liter. Now we are going to measure this oil, okay, as to how much oil do we get from 1 kilo, and then we will know what is the yield of our seed that we have grown here in Pakistan. Now they have transferred the oil into this bottle,
3.1,
and with this machine that we have, okay, we are getting 0.315 kilograms. So that is like 31. So this oil with this extractor we are getting between 30 kilo in 100. Yes, so that is 30 grams.
No,
300 grams. 300 grams
from 1 kilo.
From 1 kilo.
Yeah.
So that is like 30%.
Yeah.
No, 30%. 31% we are getting the yield, and this seed is 8 months old. This seed. So with this kind of machine, spiller. Now, if we have more sophisticated machine, can we get up to say 10?
No.
Okay. So in 8 months, the yield is
3.1.
3.1. Okay. So about 30 to 31% is the yield.
Yeah.
So this is a very, very good sign. When the seed becomes bigger and we take more care of it, and the tree becomes bigger, then we can expect another 5 to 10% additional yield out of this.
Maximum 40%.
Maximum 40%. Maximum we can. Okay, we are going to
We have to extract this
yes,
seeds?
yes. We are going to take 1 kilo at a time. Do you think 1 kilo at a time would be a good way of doing it, or should we put all of it at one time? All of it. Now first measure this seed as to how many kilos this seed is. This is 44 point.
195 grams.
Yeah, so
This
say,
is 4 kilogram.
Yeah. Net.
Other weight is of the bag.
yeah, so 4 kilograms.
4 kilograms.
Let's do it quickly so that because this video only can go up to a few minutes. आपका क्या नाम है बेटा?
Maksud.
Maqsood is the guy और आपका क्या नाम है?
Rizwan.
Rizwan. Now we are going to crush all the 4 kilos and they are crushing the oil, and this is the cake that is coming out, and with this here the oil is coming out. उसको रखो वापस. ये इधर मत डालो इसको, ये यही रहे.
भाई ये पकी हुई है.
Okay, so now we are now having this oil that is coming out from the jatropha seed. This is the seed that is going in. Rizwan is putting it. We have put 4 kilos of seed, and in this 4 kilos of seed that we have, this oil that we are going to get, this is a kind of a primitive contraption. That we are using, and the oil is coming out. It is being put in this bag. So now from seed to tree, from tree to fruit, fruit to seed, seed to oil. All of this we are doing in-house in our own. When we have, this is the half horsepower motor, half horsepower. That's a 7.5 horsepower motor that we are running. So from this we will be getting all, and if I am able to get a yield between 30 to 40% oil from the seed, then Pakistan does not have to import any oil. All the generators, all the tractors, all the trucks, everything will run on biodiesel in Pakistan. I am using basically the simplest form of taking the oil out. Every village in Pakistan can do that, and this is phenomenal. This is truly a great success.